In this video, I'll show you how to create a fast camera flash zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve using built-in tools. Let's get started. First, trim your clips so each one is 5 frames long. This effect works best on quick cuts. Open the effects library, search for Adjustment Clip, and place it above your first clip. Extend it by 1 extra frame. With the adjustment clip selected, search for Transform in the effects library and drag it onto the clip. Place the playhead on the first frame. Open the inspector, go to Effects, and enable keyframing for zoom. Move the playhead to the cut, then increase the zoom to around 1.2. After that, remove the extra frame so the adjustment clip ends exactly on the cut. Duplicate this adjustment clip and place it above the rest of your cuts to apply the same zoom flash throughout the montage. You can also add a quick brightness flash for extra punch, or swap this setup with a custom camera flash preset for a more advanced result.